This is Tuesday morning. Let's see how USD card has been moving. So yesterday, the close of yesterday, we saw the market giving us um some nice bullish movements. All right. So yesterday we saw price giving us some nice bullish movements. If you watch Monday morning, if you watch the Monday morning session I posted yesterday, you will observe how we got to this very level, how price got to this very level here, which is this range of. Now observe the price, observe the. I always want you to, I always want you guys to observe this price movements, because these are the price I will be always talking about. This price here, this price is like, when I talk about price, I'm talking about this price tags here, 1.40225. So when I talk about price, I'm talking about these price tags here. All right. All right. So let's see how the market has been moving, and what we should be expecting from the US card market this Tuesday and this coming days ahead. All right. So we've seen the market give us some nice we saw some nice bullish patterns here, where we saw the market giving us some good liquidity sweep here, where we saw market having some bullish liquidity sweep. Then we saw the market broke above this uh, previous supply level, and the market since then has head above that supply level, and this supply level is about one point is at the price of 1.40556. I will be abbreviating it to 1.405. All right, so we had a supply here that was broken, and now it's automatically our demand level where price head it stand. So we saw price advance here, advance to we saw the market advance to 1.410. That was last week. And on Monday the market retested this our supply level that was broken, that's now at demand level. That level was 1.405. That level was 1.405. Now we saw the market continue advancing after giving us um some nice bullish higher lows. Now you can see we have some nice bullish higher lows here where I marked these levels I marked out here. You can clearly see them, and you can clearly read them as higher lows. Now we can see the market advancing up after giving us some higher lows. It came down, it came up to this level here. Now if you observe the market from the daily time frame, you would not want to buy, you would not want to get into a long position at this level here. You would not want to get into a long position here, because now we're on the daily time frame. You can clearly see how the market is holding up on the daily time frame. You can clearly see how the market is holding up on the daily time frame after the market gave us nice this nice supply this nice supply level here. This nice supply level here. Price broke it, and you can clearly see how it reacted. So let's see. Let's go down to the 4 hour time frame one more time. Now, now, price has gotten to a very this is a key level here. This is one of our key level here. We are watching how the market is reacting to to this let's get this to this supply to this supply level here. This supply level price at 1.411. This price here, we are looking at how the market reacts and how the market holds up. You understand? because we've been seeing a lot of um bullish and demanding pattern here where we see the market give us higher highs and higher lows. So let's get this. We'll be looking at the market closely, how it reacts to this current level here. But we are not taking any position now. We've not gotten any clear signal to go long or short. We are still observing. We are still waiting for the market to give us a clear pattern before we make any decision to short or go long. We're not actually looking to buy or go long on USD card currently. We're not looking to buy or go long on USD card currently. All my position are all placed on short. All my position currently are all going to be shorting. I'm going to be shorting the market, but we've not gotten any clear insight on how price is moving currently. So all we have to do now is to observe the market and see how price reacts to this key level here. All right. But to be but due to the price movement of how but due to how price has moved recently, you can clearly see it has given us some clear patterns where this pattern automatically tells us that we should be observant and we should be observing the market closely, because now you can clearly see we've gotten higher lows and uh, higher lows here too. So let's see if this market continues breaking upward. If this market continues breaking upward, that should be its target, and we will not be going long. We will not be going long if it continues going upward. Alright, alright. So this is the card. This is the USD card price movement for Tuesday morning. There has not been a lot of action. We've not seen a lot of action on the USD card. The market has been slow since Monday. You can clearly see how it has been moving. Since Monday morning, I think we've only had about, you can clearly see it. You can clearly see we've only had about 0.49% movement. So that's not really a massive move or something nice. The market has been slow, consolidating mostly, but we believe that Tuesday, I think there should be an event, a high news event on Tuesday. On Tuesday, probably one. So Tuesday we'll be seeing a lot of liquidity in the market. We'll be seeing a lot of price movement. So Tuesday we'll be expected to see how the market reacts and how the market breaks through these levels. All right. Now also remember we've also seen some demand pattern, some demand, some bearish, some bullish patterns also. This is just an example of this higher lows and higher lows we've been seeing after the consolidation. That automatically gives us an edge. That automatically gives us an edge to be careful on how we react to the sell side, because normally I also said I will be shorting the market. So with these bullish patterns already in sight, I will be watching um my execution closely, so I don't go and short a market that I'm supposed to short. All right. So this is it. This is it. This is for the card. This is for the USD card market morning analysis. All right. We've not seen a lot of price movement. We've not seen a lot of price movement, but I believe Tuesday would be an active day. Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday would be an active day for US card, because we're expecting some high impact news on the US side tomorrow. I think 1:30 p.m. So we should be watching out for that, and we should also be watching out for the supply and demand the market is currently having currently. And we should also keep in mind that we've seen a lot of we've seen not too much. We've seen some nice bull trending pattern, and we should be watching out to see if the market takes out all these highs. If the market take out these highs, which is 1.411, if the market take out this high, we should be expecting price to advance closely to 1 point 1.424 1.12445. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, stay safe and uh, always respect the trend.